Will we put an LS in it? Nobody knows. Hey kids, welcome to another episode of I Don't Film Anything, but we're doing some fun stuff to the RX-7 that involves a hoist and the motor coming out.
Will we put a D-series in it?
It's a good possibility we'll put a D-series in it. Alright, what do we got to do?
We're just going to pop this fuel rail off so we can get access to the injectors. Unplug those guys.
Alright. And there we go. We have a motor out. And we have a disgusting engine bay that needs love. So, it's gonna be fun.
Tomorrow.
Focus. There we go. Alright kids, we are at Herbson's and we gotta go wake his ass up because he doesn't get up till about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We got shit to do, so let's go wake him up. We'll paint this while we're at it. What's up kids? I don't know what episode of Shitty Coffee Reviews this is, but we're gonna call it number 1. We're at Hermson's house. Pretty decent. What coffee is this?
I have no idea. I use the espresso.
Oh, okay. Well, I used coffee that was in a jar, and there was no label. It smelled kind of fresh. Doesn't taste burnt, so that's good. But yep, that's it for Hermson's Shitty Coffee Review. It's pretty good. Now on to the important things in life. Why is our engine bay out, you might ask? Well, we were contemplating all of the wonderful engine swaps that we could have done, and we determined we're putting a D15 in it. Out of his old car.
Very strong bottom end. It's a great swap candidate. So much power.
It'll be a good alternative to the rotary. So be prepared to see a D15, the first D15 RX-7 known to man, because I don't know anybody that's dumb enough to do this. So except us. Yeah. All right. Well, let's get to it. How do we want to do this first? I guess we should probably pull that harness back, just in case you guys think we were joking. Here is this wonderful D15 single jingle that we're gonna slap in the car. We're gonna somehow make it work. We have an adapter plate getting made for the FC trans, and she'll be met. Does anybody need a pristine, partially leaky 13B? With an REW intake and some cool Hot Boy stuff. Did you figure out what that was?
Yeah.
Are you gonna remember what that was when we gotta plug it back in?
Yeah, probably.
What was it?
It looks like it's going up to the shifter.
Interesting. So, focus, 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 focus. There we go. So we've got our harness all pulled out over here. We've took down some grime and rust on the subframe. Got that all shiny again. Painted with self-etch. Now we're just kind of going over the main areas, and then we can paint. We got to tape off that oil cooler too, or do butcher paper or something. But we're getting there, so should be white here in a couple hours, hopefully. got all of our masking done. We threw our harnesses in so we can paint the outside of the fender rail thing. Herms, I don't think I'm going to be allowed to call this a shit box anymore.
No. I think at heart it can still be a shit box, but too much work in it.
Oh god. I hope this is cool. I hope this annoys somebody on the internet. If we didn't, then we failed at our jobs. Harrison is small enough to fit in the bay and be able to paint, so he's doing that. We should probably cover up that red wire. Yeah, fuck it. That works. It's gonna look nice with the D15 in here.
Very nice.
I'm excited. Did you just break that line?
No, I just let go of it and it snaps in back in place.
See, you're painting fuel lines there, boss. Jeff.
Yes, indeed.
Oh god.
I guess this side.
Yeah. We're gonna start here. Or do you want to do there? Actually, probably do there. I don't really know how to help
Just
here.
fucking bumming it.
Sloppy ass paint job.
Ooh, jeez. This thing's lobbing up. Just paint can. Here, watch out.
You want a new one?
I mean, this has a lot of paint left. It's just, I don't even know what it is.
This looks really nice on camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's super white. It'll be super white once. At this very moment. The Honda? Fuck was that? So after about 10 hours of total work, we have a painted bag. So we are all white. We did 2.5-ish coats kind of everywhere. Now we just wait for this thing to dry. I think we're having a car meet on Friday, and then we'll clear it then. So that'll be probably all for this video, and see what's up. So stay tuned. Hopefully with the clear, I think it'll be easy for us to manage and clean and deal with, and hopefully not destroy. And we'll just be able to wipe it down really easily and nicely. But let's say this stuff turned out good. What do you think?
I think it's gonna look really good with that D series.
Yeah, the D series is gonna be dope. So I already showed him the motor too.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
Bone stock.
out of a 89,
1990.
1990
Honda Civic DX.
Honda Civic DX D15B or Y. I don't know. Ah, there we go.
Dual point fuel injection.
So the Haltech's gonna run it perfectly. So yeah, that's about it, kids. Yeah, who wants a rotary? It runs pretty good. It'll scoot. Apparently the flywheel may or may not explode. The internet told me it's shitty and I need to buy a new one, but I have no money and told the internet they could send me something. So the internet, aka y'all, have a pressure plate Or no, sorry, it's pressure plate they were bitching about. If you guys have a pressure plate, bring it with you and I'll give you the whole motor and stuff and you can take it home. Because we're going D-Series, boys. Alright, that's about it. I am heading to Greenville to go do some work at a doctor's office. And then we'll catch up later. That's about it.